In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this glowing effect in Photoshop. Create a brightness contrast adjustments layer. Adjust brightness and contrast to make image darker. Create a curves adjustment layer and follow the process. Now create a solid color layer. Click on Mask Layer and press Ctrl or Command-I to invert. Pick Pen tool and follow the settings. Then start making selection. Hold Ctrl or Command and press Enter key to make selection. Then press Delete key from the keyboard. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Radius 1 pixels, then click OK. Right-click and choose Blending Options. Select Outer Glow and copy the settings. Create a new layer. Change blend mode to color dodge. Pick soft rounded brush and follow the process. Create another new layer. Also change mode to color dodge. Hold Alt Ctrl Shift E or Option Command Shift E to get a merged copy from all layers. Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and follow these settings. Finally, click OK.